Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the upper bar, slide twice to open it fully, and then simply tap on battery saver icon, and that's it. Now power saving mode is on. If you would like to switch off low power solution, just tap on the same icon one more time. When you want to personalize this mode, if you would like to see some further options, just tap on power saver mode and keep it for about 3 seconds. As you can see, now you are in battery menu. So for example, here you can see how many percent of your battery has left. Then here you can simply turn on and off battery saver just by tapping on the switcher. You can also activate the battery percentage, so if you will activate it, you will be able to notice the percentage of your battery in the upper bar. You can also select adaptive brightness, so it will optimize brightness level for available light. And then you can select sleep, and here you can choose after how many seconds or minutes your device should fall asleep. So we recommend 30 seconds, but you can also select some shorter or longer time. So actually that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.